Hare Krishna. Welcome. Please join us in this sloka. Today is 5th chapter, 5th sloka.
यत्साङ्ख्यैः प्राप्यते स्थानं तद्योगैरपि गम्यते एकं साङ्ख्यं च योगं च यः पश्यति स पश्यति.
Here, Krishna is explaining the yoga. What yoga? The sannyasa yoga, which is the caption for this chapter 5. Let us enjoy together Krishna's explanations. Now, the sloka first, what Krishna says, one who knows the advantages of renunciation, the nityagam, can also be got by works in devotion. Advantages in this renunciation is exactly the same, in same measure got in devotional work also. And a man who sees the path of works and the path of renunciation are one. He sees things as they are. His vision is not blurred. He is not bereft of the knowledge. He sees correct knowledge. He knows how to think in the right direction. Krishna explained this for our understanding further slokas. Before completion, we got gem points of Krishna. Krishna knows the techniques of teaching absolutely. That's our today's observation about Krishna's teaching abilities. If today's teachers and professors keenly observe Krishna's methods and follow them, then they would be highly successful in their own profession. We will identify and highlight them for you as Gita unfolds in front of us. There are many number of points which are certifying his teaching ability or speaking ability or managing ability. All those things will be coming. In practical life, we are not and we do not deal with these subjects. It's not a day-to-day daily subject because some people may listen one day, then they will avoid you after that. If you are daily talking about this subject with all the people. So we must know. Krishna says, apatardhanam should not be done. I mean, those who do not deserve, you should not give. Even Shakespeare says, don't throw pearls in front of swines. So we need not have a strict rule like that, but there may be some people who may read in that house also. A man who does not want to take it and does not want to read. Some friend may come and read it also. So we can be, with discretion, we can do that. But do we like to be in this? We all like a house. We all like the whole house. But do we like to see the foundation? Will you like to live there when the foundation is being done for the house? Will you say, I will stay here only? No. But without the foundation, the house we like will not be there. So we have to deal with these subjects and then go up in life. Now, to see the things as they are is the expression that led us to this joke. Once in the company, Mr. Keshav's office, the accountant came, it's Madan's office. Accountant came in a very excited mood and then said, Sir, for the first time in 10 years, our company has crossed over from red to black. Oh, MD is thrilled. He is sitting in the board. Everybody is thrilled. They all congratulate each other. Then the MD, Madan says, oh, if it is like that, it's a wonderful news. Buy a 2-color cartridge and print in our color printer the whole thing and send to all our shareholders. Then that accountant started scratching his head. Sir, there is a problem. What is that? If we buy a 2-color cartridge, then our accounts will go back to red. That means the profit margin, what they have crossed over from red to black, is only limited to the cost of a 2-color cartridge. For that, board is excited, MD is excited, accountant is too much excited. Hare Krishna.